What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and as you see, I have a few packages here. So, you know, y'all know how I like to do the unboxings. It just made me feel like it's Christmas or my birthday or something. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys and let you see what all I got. Alright, now before I get started, some of this stuff, I don't even remember what all I ordered. Some of this stuff may not be 100% t-shirt related, but I think that everything is. But I'm going to go ahead and grab my blade right quick and get started. Alright, I'm going to do this one first right here. This is the first box, and it's actually some wipe off towels, paper towels. So, you know, it don't really, I got these from Amazon. Yeah, so, you know, you guys know what that is, so I'm not going to open it up. All I have to do is punch a couple holes in it and I can use them. Alright, this next thing right here, I'm pretty sure is my ink. Can't open it. Right here, this is the toner for my printer. Okay, and I ordered it from a different place. I ordered it from Quick Ship. And they sent me a couple of gift cards in here. A wine voucher, a wine voucher right here, and this right here. So you can get a $100 wine voucher. I don't know, just something extra they added. But yeah, this is the toner for my laser printer, the one that people always asking me, how do I print my transfer paper? Yeah, this is what I use. This printer that uses this, and as you guys see, it's a Oki printer, but this is not Oki toner. This is LD toner, so put that right there. Alright, let me see what I want to open it. I'm gonna open this one next because I think I know what this is. Alright, so alright, so right here, you guys see, these are like the shop towels, the red shop towels. Let me see, I'll cut this open for y'all. But if y'all been watching my videos, in a couple videos back, or a few videos back, I had talked about I was going to start using these shop towels. This is kind of like the towels that mechanics use, so it's good at absorbing oil, and you can actually wash them and reuse them. I probably won't do that because they're cheap enough, but this is a 100 pack that I did get, because this absorbs a little better than those wipe all paper towels that I have back there. So using these will make cleanup a lot quicker because it absorbs better. So yeah, I'll leave a link for this down below also. The next thing that I have here, I'm not even sure what this is. I don't know. I'm just going to open it and see what it is, because I don't remember what I ordered. Alright. Actually, this was not supposed to be until tomorrow, but this is ant killer. Man, I got ate up by some ants this weekend. I got bit by 2 ants this weekend. At my shop, it's a few ants getting outside and trying to take over. They're actually on my wheelchair ramp. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go out there and sprinkle some of this down, because I told them ants, I'm like, look, y'all won't be living much longer, especially after you attack me. But yeah, this is it's 2.5 pounds of ant killer. It's supposed to last for 3 months. I don't know, it was cheap. It was like $7 and something. I'll leave a link for it down below also in case you guys are interested. So I appreciate you watching the video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I know all this wasn't t-shirt related, but I guess it kind of is, because you know, this is for the outside of my t-shirt shop. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss out on my future videos. And once you hit that subscribe button, make sure you go ahead and hit that bell button also, so that you will be one of the first to get the videos as soon as I post them. And I will see you guys in the next video. Print Squad out. I ain't playing with these ants. I'm going to sprinkle this up out here and kill these ants.